If you're still not comfortable making questions in Spanish or simple phrases, then this video is for you. ¿Qué onda, Spanish students? If you're new here, welcome to our Pura Buena Onda YouTube channel. My name is Paola, and today let's talk about how to use simple phrases in Spanish and how to make questions. With this simple structure, you can make a bunch of useful phrases in any tense in Spanish. For example, using the present tense, you could say, Yo leo un libro. I read a book. In Spanish, the personal pronoun is always optional. You could only say, Leo un libro, and skip yo. Next, you could say, Tú lees libros. You read books. The same, you could also say, lees libros. You read books. With this next structure, the subject is a noun and not a person. And in Spanish, every time you start a phrase with a noun, you always need an article. For example, el concierto duró toda la noche. The concert lasted all night. You can also use both of these structures to make questions by adding the question marks at the beginning and at the end. Let's go back to the phrase, lees libros. You read books. You could only add the question marks and intonation, lees libros. Do you read books? Or the other phrase, el concierto duró toda la noche. The concert lasted all night. You could only add the question marks and intonations. El concierto duró toda la noche. Did the concert last all night? Now let's use this structure to make a question in Spanish, keeping in mind that the personal pronouns are always or often omitted in questions. For example, ¿Dónde compraste? Do is optional. Los zapatos que llevas puestos. Where do you buy the shoes that you're wearing? And finally, let's use this structure to replace the personal pronoun for a noun. For example, ¿Quién compró el pastel que está en la mesa? Who bought the cake that is on the table? Thanks for watching. Remember to follow us on our other social media on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you don't miss any of our content. And also, leave on the comments any example or any questions that you might have. Hasta luego!